everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kirti, and today we're going to diving into something that affects almost all of us, the credit cards. Are they our best friends or the worst enemy? Let's find out in this video. Have you ever get confused whether using of a credit card is good for your financial health or bad? Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to cut through the confusion and help you understand how exactly the credit card works and how you can use your credit card wisely. So before understanding the credit card, let us first understand what actually the credit is. Think of credit as a borrowed money which you have used to buy things now and you have to pay that amount later. It's like getting a short-term loan every time you swipe your credit card. But here's the important point. This borrowed money isn't free. The credit card company essentially borrowed you the money with the expectation that you will pay the amount on time. And by any chance, if you're not able to pay the amount on time, you can pay it later along with the interest amount. So this is a small brief about credit cards. Now let's talk about what is the benefit of using credit cards. Number 1, convenience and security. Unlike carrying cash, if your credit cards get stolen, you can immediately freeze that credit card so that nobody can use it and your money will be safe. And you can also raise a dispute for any fraudulent charges. Number 2, credit building. If you're using your credit card responsibly, then this is the best way to maintain a good credit score. This can help you getting better rates on mortgage, car loan or any other loan which you are planning to take in future. Number 3, rewards and perks. So many credit card companies is offering perks to their customers like cashback offers, extra discount, access to lounges on airport, free movie ticket, reward points and many more. So they have multiple ways to give the perks to the customers if they are using the credit cards. Number 4, which is very important, emergencies backup. While you should always have an emergency fund, credit card can also be a savior at the time of emergency situation. So these are the few benefits which you'll get if you are holding a credit card. Now let's talk about the risky part, or maybe you can say the bad side of the credit cards. Can you guess what is the biggest danger in using credit card? Let me tell you. High interest rate can be the dangerous part of the credit cards. So the credit card rates can be astronomical. It goes often around 20% or maybe higher sometimes. So sometimes if you're not able to make the payment on time, it can be a huge trouble for you because the interest on late payment will keep on rising day by day. Another risk, which is very common mistake from the credit card holder, is overspending. The study shows people spend up to 20% more while using credit cards versus cash. It's very easy to lose a track of your spending when you're using credit cards because you're just swiping it and your payments are being done. So it's very easy to overspend on your credit cards. Now let's talk about another risk, which is late payment. Late payments of credit card can seriously damage your credit score, which also can affect your financial opportunities for years. And once your credit score will be affected, it's very hard to make a comeback. So far we have discussed about the advantage and disadvantage of using a credit card. Now let's talk about how we can use the credit card wisely. So I'm going to share some pointers which can help you in using your credit card responsibly. Number 1, always pay your full balance of credit card payment on time. Number 2, never use more than 30% of your credit card limit. Number 3, try to track all your purchases from your credit cards. Number 4, choose a card that matches your lifestyle because there are so many credit cards in the market, so choose as per your requirement. Analyze the credit card before taking it. So basically, as I told you, there are several types of credit cards available in the market. You should do a bit of research which credit cards have which features, like how much their interest rates are going to be and how much their annual fees will be and what are the additional benefits you are getting from that credit cards. Number 5, always go through with your credit card statements. Always just keep a track like whether the statement is correct, is there any hidden charges or any additional charges which your bank is putting. So always keep a track on your credit card statement. So these are the few pointers which you can keep in mind and that will help you use your credit card wisely. So if we will summarize all these pointers, think of credit card as a financial tool like a sharp knife in the kitchen. If you use the knife properly, then it is incredibly useful. But if you are careless in using that knife, it can cause serious damages. So what is the final conclusion? Are the credit card good or bad? Well, the final answer is it depends totally on you, how you are going to use your credit card. They are certainly powerful financial tools that can either help build your wealth or maybe sink you into debt. The key is understanding how they work and using it responsibly. So these are the few tips which can definitely help you in using your credit card wisely. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family who needs to see this. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this. And lastly, do share your experience with your credit card in the comment section. We love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.